about light, and that is chapter 9th and this chapter of a class 10th. So here we study about light, reflection and refraction. So we already studied 2 lectures of that chapter. So in previous lecture we read about what is reflection. So in previous lecture I tell you that reflection is the phenomena of rebouncing of a light. What is rebouncing of incident light when strike with the polished mirror. Okay, so that rebouncing of a light known as what is reflected light. So for example, this is a plane mirror and this plane mirror back surface is polished, so that is coated. Okay, and we take a perpendicular, this is a perpendicular, that perpendicular known as normal, and here we take a source of light. This is a source of light that produces ray of light, and this ray of light incident on this point. So this point, say for example this is M. So when incident light strike on the object, it rebounds in same medium. So this light rebounds, and this known as what is reflected light. So we can define reflection is the phenomena of a rebouncing of the light. So that is known as the reflection. And next we study about what is law of a reflection. So in law of a reflection, first law, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Okay, so here this is angle of incidence and this is angle of refraction. And second law, normal incident ray and reflected ray lie in same plane. Okay, so that is normal incident and reflected ray are lie in the same plane. For example, there are two planes, one is vertical plane and another is horizontal plane. So all things are lie in the vertical plane. Okay, so next we study about what we have studied, that is a type of the images. So there are the two type of image, real image and virtual image. Real so So that what is real image? That is real image which can be obtained on a screen. Obtained on screen. and these virtual image do not obtained on screen. Okay, so real image, when real image form, so this image form what is invert. So image form inverted, and here image formed what is erect. So erect means straight image form, and here real image what is inverted image form. So this is the type of image, real and virtual image. And next we study about the reflection of a ray of a light by the plane mirror. So in plane mirror always what happen, virtual image form and same size of the object image form. And third, and they show the lateral inversions, that is they show your left side to right side and right side to left side. So that are the some important characteristics of a plane mirror. And after that we study about the type of the mirrors. So already mentioned plane mirror, and another type of what is spherical mirror, and that spherical mirror is what is convex and the concave. So but image formed by the concave and the convex lens. So sorry, convex mirror. So here first of all we study about the image formed by the concave mirror. Image formed by concave mirror. Okay, so first of all we take example of concave mirror. So first of all we take here, we make a diagram of a concave mirror. So for example, so this is a concave mirror and whose inner surface is reflecting and outer surface what is polished. And here we make, this is a principal axis that passing through the pole. Okay, and this Mn, so Mn here what is aperture, and here this is the C center of curvature, that is known as the focus, and this is known as the pole. Okay, so first of left hand side. So always put object left hand side. So first we take example here. So object at infinitive, where object at infinitive. So these rays are generating from the infinity like this. Okay, so after the reflection pass, they pass at the focus. Okay, like this and like this. So another ray also comes like this, and they here rays comes and pass through this. So where image where focus. So where object put at infinity. Object at infinity. First case, position of object. So these are important things, position of object. Second, position of the image. Position of image. So where form at focus. And which type of the image form here? So here real and inverted image form. So this is what is nature. Nature of image. So that what is real and inverted. And what is size? Point size. What is point size? Okay, so this is our first case. So when we put object at infinitive, okay, so what type of image form? Point size and real and inverted, and where form at the focus. So we take here second example, when object put between infinitive and C. So we take here what is position of object. Position of object. Second, position of image, nature and size. Okay, so here 4 parameter 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we make here a ray diagram of that. So we take, this is a concave mirror and this is a polished surface, and draw here principal line. This is pole, MN is aperture. Okay, and take, this is a center of curvature C, and take here point F. So that point is known as the focus. So where we put object here? We put object here between infinitive and C. So we put here object. So this object name AB. Okay. So here number of ray are generated, but here we taken only 2 ray, and for our simplification, and when these 2 rays are cut after the reflection, so that point where they intersect, so that point is known as the formation of the image or image form. So here 2 ray generated, so that ray generated, like one ray is this. Okay, so we know when a parallel ray generate, parallel ray means that ray of light parallel to the principal axis. So where it pass through the focus. Okay, so it pass through the focus. Okay, so this is what is incident ray. Incident ray. And this is what is reflected ray. And second ray comes from B point and it pass through the focus. Okay, and after pass through the focus, it cut here. So this, when a ray comes through the focus, it going parallel to the principal axis. So we can make by parallel here some bending in this line. So when we use scale, so we can make straight them. So this is reflected, and how these go like this. Okay, so where image form this? So this is a point of a intersection where 2 rays cut. So here image form. So this image name say A dash and B dash. So here object plays at principal axis and their inverted image form below the principal axis. So this image form what is small in size, and what is the nature of image? That real and inverted. So here we write, so position of object where we put object between C and infinity. C and infinity. So what is C? Here C is center of curvature. And second, position of image. So where image form between C and F. Between okay, and what is the nature of that? Nature is what is real and inverted. And last one left, that is size. So size, what is small size? Okay, so this is a nature of a image formation by the concave mirror. And next, when we change the position of an object, so we bring this object toward the center. So next step, we put this object at the C. Okay. So here we make ray diagram. So here we change the position of object. So this is principal axis, and this is known as pole, and C is known as the center of curvature, and F is focus. So here we change the position of object. So we put object at C. So this object, what name, for example, AB be the any object which kept at C. So here what is we write position of object. So this is at center of curvature. Okay, so this is first parameter. So when we put at center of curvature, so two rays are generated. So one ray is going parallel to the principal axis. So when ray going parallel to the principal axis, so it reflected. So it reflection after it passed to the focus. So this ray pass through the focus, and another ray which are generated that pass through the focus. So when it pass through the focus, it going parallel. So it going like this. Okay, so these rays are known as the incident ray. Incident rays of light, and these rays are known as the reflected rays. Reflected rays of light. Okay, so where image form here, so we draw here line. So this is image form here. So this we say A dash, B dash. So here position of a object at the center of curvature, and second position of image. So position of image where form at the C, at center of curvature. So next, what is the nature of that? So nature, what that is nature real and inverted. Real and inverted. And last one, so what is size? Size is what is this size of the object, and the size of the image is same. So that is we write here same size. So same size means AB object, height of the AB object is equal to A dash B dash. So this is second case when we put object at the center of curvature, then where the image form, so image form at the center of curvature. So next we put object between C and F. So here take a concave mirror. So this is a concave mirror, and taken a Polish concave mirror. So this is a Polish, and this is a principal axis, and this principal axis contain what? Center of curvature, and this is known as the focus, and this is known as the central part of the mirror is known as the pole, and MN is known as the aperture. So here, what position of object? So here position of object between C and F. C and F. So when we put object between C and F, so we take example, this is an object, it put between C and F, and this is name of object AB. So this object generate two rays. So first is what is this? So this parallel ray pass through where? It pass through the focus. Okay, and second ray are generated that pass through the focus, and after passing through the focus, it going in parallel. So it going like parallel this. So if we can draw this using scale, then we draw that in correct. So here image form. So this image form here. So here image form where? Above the C. So position of image where? Beyond the C. Beyond the C. And third one, that is nature. So what is here nature? Nature, what is real and inverted? Real and inverted. And last one, size. So what is large? So this is image formed by the concave mirror when we put object between C and F. So what beyond the C, and what is real and inverted and large. So next case will be in next lecture. Thank you very much. बैग ले आते हैं सर. हाँ